Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA X20 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, all you want to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for it. So once it's open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, this will give you the screenshot right here, and after a couple of seconds it disappears. Now right here we do have also two options, share or edit, so you can choose them if you want to. Now once the image actually disappears, you can find it in your Photos application. As you can see, there it is. Once you have more photos, apart from just one, it also creates albums, I believe, at the bottom, or categories, where you can go to albums, and in albums you will have a screenshots album, and obviously in there you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So that being said, that is how you capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.